In the last few episodes, we learned about a variety of motors. Now it's time to use them. We're going to start by learning about wheels. As you probably know, wheels are an effective way of moving something. There's a little bit more to it than that though. Let's start with a situation. We want a strong, off-road robot. Our wheels need to match our needs. For a strong robot, we need tall wheels. As you can see, the larger the radius of the wheel, the smaller the gear ratio. This makes a tall wheel more powerful and a smaller wheel less powerful but faster. If we want our robot to work well off-road, we need some good treads. These are going to be able to grip uneven terrain better. I've 3D printed some wheels that are meant to work better off-road. As you can see, they have large grooves. If we want something that works well on a flat surface, we need something like this. These will stick to the ground better. Now, having selected a wheel, let's try out one on a servo motor. This one has larger grooves, so it works better on this uneven surface. This other wheel is better designed for a smooth surface. Because wheels can be so different from each other, it's important to play around with them. You can try 3D printing some different wheels, or buy some online. I've put links to 3D models and a 3D printer in the description below. And full disclosure, these links help support the channel other than the 3D models. After you play around with different types of wheels, I'll see you in the next episode, and we will finally be putting everything together to build a basic robot with a chassis.